What if I told you that right now, with zero investment, zero experience, and zero technical skills, you could start making real money online using AI tools that are completely free? Not a scam, not a get-rich-quick scheme. Real income streams that thousands of people are building right now in 2026, using nothing but a laptop and a few free AI tools. In this video I am going to walk you through 5 proven methods to make money online using AI, from the easiest one you can start today to the most scalable one that can grow into a full-time income. I am going to be completely honest about how much you can realistically earn, how long it takes, and exactly what tools you need. No hype, no exaggeration. Stay until method 4, because that is the one most people completely overlook, and it is arguably the easiest way to start earning with zero skills. Let's get into it. Before we start, one thing I want to be clear about: AI is not a magic money machine. It is a multiplier of your effort. The people making real money with AI in 2026 are not sitting back and letting robots do everything. They are using AI to work 10 times faster, serve more clients, and create more value than they ever could alone. That is the mindset you need going into this. AI is your tool. You are the business. Method number 1. AI Freelance Copywriting. This is the fastest way to start earning money with AI today. Businesses need content constantly: emails, website copy, social media posts, product descriptions, ad copy, and most of them are willing to pay between $50 and $200 per piece. Here is how you do it. Go to Fiverr or Upwork, both free to join. Create a profile offering AI-assisted copywriting services. Use Claude or Chalk to write the content for your clients. Deliver it fast, deliver it well, and build reviews. The key insight here is that AI does not replace your value. It multiplies it. You can now deliver in 1 hour what used to take a full day. That means you can serve more clients, earn more money, and still have time left over. Beginners in this space are earning between $500 and $2,000 per month within their first 90 days. The barrier to entry is almost zero. Method number 2. Faceless YouTube channel. This one is close to my heart because it is exactly what this channel is built on. A faceless YouTube channel means you never appear on camera. You use AI tools to script the videos, AI voice or your own voice for the audio, and free stock footage for the visuals. Once your channel is monetized, you earn from YouTube ads every single time someone watches your video. The best part: videos keep earning money for months and years after you upload them. It is genuinely passive income. The AI tools that make this possible: Claude for scripting, Smaker for free AI voice, CapCut for editing, and Canva for thumbnails. All free, all powerful, all available right now. Channels in the AI and tech niche, exactly like this one, earn between $3 and $18 per 1,000 views from ads alone. That adds up fast. Method number 3. AI print on demand. This one requires zero upfront investment and zero inventory. Here is how it works. You use an AI image generator like Ideogram or Adobe Firefly, both free, to create unique designs: t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, wall art. Then you upload those designs to platforms like Redbubble or Printful. When someone buys a product with your design, the platform prints it, ships it, and sends you a cut of the profit. You never touch the product. The most scalable designs right now are AI-themed, motivational quotes, and niche hobby designs. One good design can sell hundreds of times, with zero additional effort from you. Beginners report earning between $200 and $800 per month within their first 60 days. The ceiling is much higher for people who go all in. Method number 4, and this is the one most people sleep on: AI thumbnail and design services. Every single YouTuber on the planet needs thumbnails. Every business needs social media graphics. Every course creator needs slide designs. The demand is infinite and it never goes away. You can use Canva and Ideogram AI, both completely free, to create professional thumbnails and graphics in minutes. Then sell this service on Fiverr starting at $10 to $20 per thumbnail. At $10 per thumbnail, doing just 5 thumbnails per day gives you $50 a day. That is $1,500 per month working a few hours daily. The reason this is so powerful for beginners is that AI handles the hardest part: the actual design. You just need to understand what looks good, what gets clicks, and how to communicate with clients. Those are learnable skills that take days, not years. Method number 5. Selling AI prompt packs. This one sounds almost too simple, but the numbers are real. An AI prompt is basically a set of instructions that tells ChatGPT or Claude exactly what to produce. A well-crafted prompt saves people hours of trial and error, and people are willing to pay for that. You create a collection of 20 to 50 prompts for a specific niche: marketing prompts, business prompts, student prompts, fitness prompts, and sell them as a digital download on Gumroad. Gumroad is free to use and takes a small percentage of each sale. Price your prompt pack at $7 to $15. If you sell just 10 packs per week, that is $70 to $150 per week from a product you created once and never have to touch again. The key to making this work is specificity. A prompt pack called 100 Chat Prompts for Real Estate Agents sells far better than a generic 100 Chat Prompts because it solves a specific person's specific problem. Now let me give you the real numbers, because I believe in being honest with you. None of these methods will make you rich overnight. Most beginners start seeing their first $100 to $500 per month within 60 to 90 days of consistent effort. But here is what makes 2026 different from any other time in history. The tools are free, the barriers are gone, and AI is doing the heavy lifting that used to require years of skill to learn. The people who will look back in 5 years and wish they had started, they are watching this video right now. The question is whether they act on it. So here is your action plan, and I want you to actually do this, not just watch and move on. Step 1. Pick one method from this video, not 2, not 3. 1. The biggest mistake beginners make is trying everything at once and mastering nothing. Step 2. Spend 30 minutes today setting up your free account on the platform for that method. Fiverr for services, Gumroad for digital products, YouTube for a channel. Just the account. That is all. Step 3. Use AI to create your first piece of work. 1 email, 1 prompt pack, 1 video script, 1 design. Just one. Done is better than perfect. Step 4. Put it out into the world. Post the gig, upload the product, publish the video. The feedback you get from real people will teach you more in 1 week than any course ever could. The honest truth about making money online in 2026 is this: the tools have never been more accessible, the opportunity has never been more real, but none of it works without consistent action. You now have 5 proven methods, the exact tools to use, and a clear starting point. The only question left is, what are you going to do with it? If this video gave you clarity, subscribe, because I break down AI tools, income strategies, and tech trends every single week in plain language that actually makes sense.